friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a very popular and tasty Indian recipe, that is Baingan Bharta, or in Bengali Begun Pora, which is simply roasted eggplant. Here I am going to cook this in Bengali style. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized begun or eggplant. Now cut it lengthwise from the middle. Apply little mustard oil on each part of the brinjal and rub well. Roast it on a tawa or a wire rack. I am using a tawa for roasting. After 10 minutes, turn the eggplants. You can see that the bottom part is well roasted. Now roast the other side. It will take nearly 20 minutes to roast it completely on low flame. Let it cool. Discard the burnt skin. Take the well-roasted pulp only. Now, put 1 finely chopped onion in it. Next, add 1 finely chopped tomato. Here I took a small one. After it, add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add salt as per taste. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon sugar in it. It is optional, you can skip this one. Mix well. Heat 1 tablespoon white oil in a pan. Fry the eggplant mix in it until the water dried up completely. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Now serve hot with roti or chapatti. For the written recipe and the online purchase links of the products, please check the description box below. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.